So today I'm in MINI Countryman. In this video I'll show you how to start route guidance. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and now go to navigation. Next, scroll left and select guidance. Select enter new destination, and here you can select destination input, address book, last destinations, points of interest or interactive map. Firstly, select country, city, street, building number or road junction. Next, accept destination. Start guidance.
The route is in the indicated direction.
And it's done. To stop route guidance, go to menu and go to guidance. Select stop guidance and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.